So I wanted to point out some quick odds and ends that are just some considerations. These gradebook pages are made to either be used on the computer and enter grades electronically, or to be printed out and use paper and pencil. And you can certainly use a combination of both. Maybe you would like to add all your student names. Maybe you already know a lot of your assignments, so you can add those in on either of these parts here and then print it out. It's nice that you don't have to necessarily write it all out, but you can quickly print it out with it already typed in it. So that's an option where it's kind of merging both using it electronically and printing it out. I do love to type in my kiddos' names and then print it, and I just find that I like to actually be able to physically write on it and keep my notes and color code it. So that's how I use it. Another thing that is really helpful, and you might have seen this quickly, I might have skimmed over it in my previous videos, is when you type in these boxes, you can type in page 75, and I'm just going to come up with a topic. I know it doesn't go along with the standards, but there I have page 75 adverbs. And so it's nice to just be able to type it in there. Here with the student names, I can type in a student's name on the condensed version, and I created it so that when you skip ahead to the extended version, it will carry over her name or any other names that you have already done. So there you don't have to type in the student names twice. And that's the same thing up here with the grade period, semester 1. And enter, and then here it is on the next page. To save one of my products like this that has been edited, I like to save it as a different title just so I still have the original. So when I do that, I will go to the options and I'll go File, Save As, and I'll find what file I want to save it into. And right now I'm going to choose a different folder just as an example. I'm going to save it actually to my desktop. And I'm going to put the year. So I'm going to say 2016/2017. Maybe let me do the dash. So there I'm going to be saving it just so it's different than the original file, and I still have that original file that can be edited from the start, like it's all blank. Now it's saved, or it is saving rather. And so now whenever I want to edit my 2016-2017 gradebook, I can just open that file, and the original file with that came straight from TPT is still on my computer. It's still ready if I want to go back and start again, like for 2017-18 school year. It's already blank. I don't have to do anything to it. So those are just some tips, and I hope you find them useful. If you have any questions, please let me know.